Hello everyone, welcome to Heal Yourself Rather Than See a Doctor. 大家好，欢迎来到看医生不如看自己。Today let's talk about Chapter 18, the root cause of hypertension and the corresponding treatment. 今天我们讨论第18章，高血压的根本原因和正确的治疗方向。Lecture 5, Radical Treatment of Hypertension.Restore the compliance of blood vessels。今天我们讨论第5个讲座，高血压的根治方法，恢复血管的顺应性。Nutritional medicine can easily solve the problem of high blood pressure because the root cause of high blood pressure is the poor elasticity of blood vessel walls, then restore the elasticity of the blood vessel wall. 营养医学可以轻松解决高血压的问题，因为高血压发生的根本原因是血管壁的弹性差了，那就重新恢复血管壁的弹性好了。The poor elasticity of the blood vessel wall must be caused by structural damage to the blood vessel wall or some problems in the composition. Then it is enough to provide the blood vessels with the nutrients they need to rebuild them. 血管壁的弹性差，一定是血管壁在结构上受到损伤，或在组成成分上出现了一些问题。那就给血管提供改建它们所需的营养素就可以啦。Before we learned, I tutored, okay? I talked about the super powerful human rehabilitation or self-healing ability, very superpower, self-healing ability. So if you can provide enough nutrients to the blood vessel walls, the blood vessels can build themselves step by step, okay? After sufficient nutrients are supplied, especially after the basic nutrients that constitute blood vessels are supplemented, such as protein, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium, etc. The blood vessel wall will rely on its own rehabilitation ability to heal itself, to rehabilitate itself. 营养素给足后啊，尤其是构成血管的基础营养补足后啊，好，补足后呢，如蛋白质、B 族维生素、维生素 C 和钙、镁等，那血管壁呢就会依赖其自身的修复能力，将自己修好。The structure is improved, the elasticity and compliance are restored, and the high blood pressure will naturally heal itself. 结构好了，弹性、顺应性恢复了，高血压呀，自然而然的就治愈了，或者说自愈了。Using nutrients to treat high blood pressure, the time required to cure varies greatly depending on the patient. Some people will take 2 weeks. Some people need half a year. Some people need more than a year. And some people need several years. It depends on the degree of damage to the blood vessel walls. If the damage is minor, the required rehabilitation time is short. If the damage is severe, the required rehabilitation time is long. 用营养素治疗高血压，治愈所需的时间是患者的不同而有很大的出入。有的人2周就可以，有的人要半年， 有的人要1年多，还有的人需要几年的时间。这取决于血管壁的损伤程度，损伤轻，所需的修复时间就短；损伤重，所需的修复时间就长。The vascular system of whole body is very huge. When it is seriously damaged, it needs a lot of nutrients to rehabilitate, to heal it, and it is understandable that it takes a long time. 全身血管非常庞大，严重受损时需要大量的营养素来修复，耗时长一些也是可以理解的。The use of nutrients to treat hypertension, even if there is no significant drop in blood pressure in the short term, has very important and far-reaching significance. 用营养素治疗高血压，即使在短期内血压没有明显下降，也具有非常重要而深远的意义。Because with the continuous use of nutrients, the resistance of your blood vessel wall will be greatly increased. Cerebral hemorrhage is not easy to occur, and complications such as fundus, lesions, and kidney disease caused by high blood pressure can be prevented and further relieved. As long as you keep using it, hypertension and its complications will be all cured or treated one day. 随着营养素的不断使用，您的血管壁的抗性会大大增加，就不容易发生脑溢血，可以阻止并进一步缓解高血压、眼底病变、肾病等并发症。只要坚持使用一定有一天会将高血压及其并发症全部治愈。Okay, so I hope you are more confident now for your health. Health is under control. You're by yourself, okay? Okay, so see you in the next lecture.